This tricolor pasta salad is bright, zesty, and only takes a few minutes to make. It's a total keeper. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make because if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make a colorful tricolor rotini pasta salad that's bursting with flavor and perfect for cookouts, picnics, or meal prep. I put the full printable recipe right in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first step in making our tricolor rotini pasta salad is to start with the dressing. You guys know I like to do that with all my salads. I build the dressing right in the bowl and then the salad on top of it. So this one starts with some olive oil. And then to that, we're going to add red wine vinegar. I just love the flavor of red wine vinegar. It's so bright and tangy. Now to that, I'm gonna add some of my Italian seasoning blend. I'll share that recipe in the show notes, but you can use store-bought as well. And then a little bit of sugar for some sweetness. Helps balance everything out. So to this, we're going to add a clove of fresh garlic. So I'm gonna send that through the garlic press, and I've got a link for this in the show notes. You guys know I love this one. And then last but not least, we're going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning blend. If you don't have that, you can easily add salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna give everything a good whisk. So now that our dressing is done, we're going to start building the salad. So here I have some diced onion. I like to do nice fine dice on this because nobody wants a big old piece of raw onion. So nice and small. And then I have some cherry tomatoes that I've quartered. I sliced them up, cut them in half twice, and have nice tiny pieces of my cherry tomatoes, just so they fit on a fork nicely. All right, and to this we are going to add some diced cucumber. I use the English cucumbers because there's no wax on the skin, so you can just eat it, you don't have to peel them, and they have the smaller seeds, so you don't have any big old cucumber seeds in there. Next up, mozzarella cheese, and here I'm using fresh mozzarella. I've just diced it. If you can get the smaller, like the mozzarella balls, definitely grab those. I couldn't find them at my store, so this is what we get. So that is it for the salad ingredients. Now we're going to add our pasta. So behind me, I had some rotini pasta cooking in salted water. I've drained it, and while it's still warm, I'm going to add it into our bowl. So the reason I add the pasta while it's warm is because it will soak up that dressing so much easier. It just gets into the pasta and flavors everything. So we're gonna give this a good stir. One last thing to add, some fresh chopped parsley. That's just gonna add a little bit of brightness to our salad, as if the vinegar wasn't bright enough. Okay, now as tempting as this is, like I wanna dive in right now. We have to pop this in the fridge because it gets better as it sits. It cools the pasta down, probably about at least 30 minutes or so. Pop it in the fridge, and then we're gonna come back and give this a try. This salad comes together fast and is so flexible. So here's a couple tips for you. If you don't have time to make the homemade dressing or you don't have the ingredients, just use a bottled Italian dressing. Also add chopped veggies, cheese cubes, or even pepperoni to bulk it up. I would even add some black olives or swap out the mozzarella for feta. The possibilities are endless, but definitely make it ahead and let it chill because it tastes even better the longer it sits. Now, I just love the crunch and the little vinegary bite, so I could eat this all week. I'm going in. I could just tell you I'm gonna eat it all week. I got 2 pieces of cheese, yay. You guys, this tricolor rotini salad is definitely a keeper. It's bright, it's easy. I can see why it's always a crowd favorite. Share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe below, and thank you for cooking with me today. If you love easy make-ahead side dishes like this, check out my Amish broccoli salad. It's crunchy, creamy, and just as simple. Click right here and I'll see you over there.